This is Ryan Larson, our fab shop lead.
So as you can see here, the material comes in this door, the raw material. And then we have the automated bandsaw over there to cut the solid bar. So here's our bandsaw. It's automated. We set it up and then it just pretty much runs on its own and doesn't have to be manned. It has a bar feeder and just continues to cut on its own. So here's our manual cold saw. There's our tube bender for headers. Our iron worker for forming and shearing and punching holes. Tube cutter, plasma cutter, bandsaw, and our welders there in the back. You can run a feed of one of these.
This area here is known to Advanced Adapters as the boneyard. The boneyard is all of the products that Advanced Adapters had manufactured since 1971. We keep the first articles or the part that we designed the product off of. This is our Jeep area where you can see transmissions, transfer cases. This is some of our original Ruber crawler designs for the Jeep. A lot of the parts up here are OE parts that we use for dimensioning, for making new products.
So this is where we store all of our header fixtures, all the different headers as well. So these are our slick fit headers, some of our more common sellers. Fits on a V8.
This is our header inventory. Jeeps. We do have some S10 headers, some Ford Bronco Ranger headers. We have outside the frame rail headers. We also have inside the frame rail headers. We have a nickel plated header, or you can get a bare steel header. The NB4500 has been a popular swap since the mid-1990s. We still work with this transmission a lot. These are brand new Ace & Warner AX15s for the Jeep applications and Broncos. This is the cross member to install a AX15 or an NV3550 into a 1966 through 1977 Ford Bronco. We have a wide variety of different engine mounts for your conversion application. This is just a small sample of the many mounts that we offer.